Welcome to LUME Auto. The experience of luxury travel is often defined by what you acquire: space, speed, and exotic destinations. But true, profound luxury is the ability to acquire something far more elusive: absolute tranquility and stillness, even while in motion. This is the philosophy embodied by the Waterfall Sanctuary, a bespoke motorhome that has rejected the chaos of the road in favor of creating a mobile oasis of peace. This vehicle is a triumph of serene aesthetics, designed around a single, astonishing feature: a full-scale, functioning indoor hydro-wall. This is not just an RV. It is a moving meditation chamber, where the soothing sound of recirculating water accompanies every journey, transforming the vast, noisy landscape outside into a quiet, personal, and continuously refreshing experience. The motorhome's exterior, while grand, is designed to be a subtle prelude to the interior's organic beauty. The body is finished in a specialized matte, deep forest green, a color chosen to complement the natural environments where such a sanctuary would reside. The lines are clean and aerodynamic with minimal chrome, ensuring the visual focus remains on the surrounding landscape. The large panoramic windows are recessed, giving the structure a sense of solid, natural foundation. The true architectural statement is hidden until you enter. The sheer size required to house a full, active waterfall demands a vehicle of monumental proportions, subtly communicating the uncompromising nature of its interior features. The moment the main door opens, the sound immediately dictates the atmosphere. The gentle, rhythmic cadence of falling water overtakes the mechanical hum of the vehicle, transporting the guest into a state of immediate calm. The interior aesthetic is an homage to organic luxury, designed to amplify the tranquil effect of the water. The flooring is seamless, polished light gray riverstone composite, cool and smooth underfoot, giving the profound illusion of walking over the bed of a mountain stream. The walls are paneled in rift-sawn pale white oak, chosen for its light color and smooth natural texture, providing a clean, bright canvas that contrasts beautifully with the rich, living element of the hydro-wall. The indoor hydro-wall is the unchallenged centerpiece of the main living area. It is a stunning, 10-foot-high vertical feature, carefully integrated into the wall between the lounge and the kitchen. The wall's surface is a carefully sculpted sheet of natural black slate or polished dark travertine stone, selected for its ability to guide the water silently down its face. Water flows continuously from a thin, concealed aperture at the top, cascading in a smooth, shimmering sheet down the textured stone and into a hidden, recirculating basin below. The sheer visual beauty of the moving water, its light and shadow play, is mesmerizing, instantly capturing the attention and commanding the space with its kinetic elegance. The lighting surrounding the hydro-wall is meticulously orchestrated to enhance its aesthetic brilliance. A series of dedicated, recessed LED spotlights graze the surface of the slate wall, causing the moving water to shimmer and sparkle, turning the simple flow into a complex light performance. Furthermore, the basin below the wall features subtle, color-adjustable uplights that can be tuned to soft, cool blues or deep, meditative greens, allowing the owner to shift the entire mood of the living area with the touch of a single crystal button. The combination of the polished stone, the clean light, and the continuous movement ensures the wall is a perpetual source of sensory tranquility. The living area furniture is custom designed for serene contemplation. The main sofa is a massive, curved piece upholstered in natural, ivory-colored linen, placed opposite the hydro-wall to maximize the visual and auditory experience. The sofa's frame is low profile and made from natural oak, giving it an organic, grounded feel. The space is anchored by a large, circular coffee table crafted from a single slab of polished driftwood and glass, bringing another unique organic element into the cabin. The furniture placement is designed to be non-intrusive, prioritizing the flow of light and the visibility of the waterfall above all else. The technical genius, while hidden, is essential to the aesthetic experience. The recirculating water system operates with near-perfect silence, utilizing high-end, acoustically dampening pumps, and a sophisticated multi-stage filtration system that constantly purifies the water, ensuring it remains crystal clear and free of any odor. Crucially, the wall and its plumbing are structurally isolated from the motorhome's chassis using specialized dampening mounts, guaranteeing that the gentle sound of the falling water remains consistent, undisturbed by the motion or vibration of the road. This seamless isolation of sound is the ultimate luxury feature, ensuring the sanctuary is never compromised. Adjacent to the living area is the gourmet kitchen, which continues the theme of natural, quiet elegance. The countertops are thick slabs of white polished quartz, providing a clean, bright surface that reflects the ambient light from the living area. The cabinetry is all push-latch, seamless design, faced with the same pale white oak. All appliances are concealed behind panels, ensuring the kitchen remains a visually uncluttered, minimalist stage for culinary activity. Even the functional elements, like the sink basin, are sculpted from quartz to maintain the smooth, natural aesthetic flow. The walls in the kitchen feature subtle vertical garden panels, small sections of living moss and ferns preserved behind glass, adding a deep, vibrant splash of green to the bright white oak. This botanical touch serves as a visual bridge to the natural world, reinforcing the sanctuary theme and ensuring that every glance within the cabin is met with an element of living, organic beauty. The atmosphere is one of serene, functional elegance, making the act of preparing a meal a contemplative, quiet activity. The transition from the day area to the private quarters is marked by a deliberate shift in light and texture. The corridor leading to the master suite is paneled in deeper tones of luminous walnut, its dark color providing a sense of intimate enclosure. The lighting in this corridor is low and warm, utilizing small, recessed floor lights to guide the way, creating a gentle, visually soft pathway away from the brilliant light of the main living area. The entire design is a carefully curated journey of moods and textures, moving from light and movement, the waterfall, to dark and stillness, the bedroom. The aesthetics of the Waterfall Sanctuary are a profound rejection of ostentatious display. Here, luxury is defined not by how much gold is visible, but by the purity of the natural materials, the slate, the quartz, the oak, and the purity of the sensory experience, the sound of water, the soft light, and the gentle silence from the outside world. This is a motorhome built for sensory and aesthetic pleasure, offering a genuine, unparalleled tranquility on the open road. The deeper exploration of the Waterfall Sanctuary reveals the meticulous execution of the private spaces and the unprecedented external amenities, designed to enhance the motorhome's core theme of tranquil beauty. This final half of the tour solidifies the vehicle's status as a mobile retreat, dedicated entirely to the aesthetic pleasure and comfort of its occupants. The Master Sanctuary is located in the most quiet, secluded rear section of the motorhome. The centerpiece is a large platform bed dressed in layered alpaca wool and silk throws, positioned to maximize the view out of the two panoramic side windows. The walls of the bedroom are covered in a soft, visually silent cashmere wall, covering in a muted taupe color, creating an incredibly soft, sound-dampening atmosphere. The most unique feature here is the Starry night ceiling, a delicate, custom-designed fiber optic installation that mimics a realistic night sky, allowing the owner to fall asleep under a glittering canopy without sacrificing privacy or warmth. This subtle, magical lighting feature provides an ultimate moment of visual luxury. The ensuite bathroom is a testament to natural, serene opulence. The walls and flooring are clad in large slabs of smooth, pale river stone, emphasizing the organic aesthetic. The sink basin is a unique vessel-style basin carved from a single piece of polished, smooth jade, its deep green color providing a striking natural accent against the light stone. The walk-in shower enclosure is framed in bronze-finished metal instead of harsh chrome and features a natural slate tile floor, completing the earthy, tranquil look. The entire space is designed to feel like a private, natural hot spring retreat. Adjacent to the master suite is a dedicated meditation and yoga nook This circular area is visually separated from the rest of the cabin by a screen of suspended vertical wood slats, shoji screen style, allowing diffused light to pass through while creating privacy. The floor is lined with padded woven bamboo matting, and the space is furnished with simple, elegant floor cushions. The ceiling here features a dedicated, soft, warm lighting panel that mimics natural daylight, creating a perfect atmosphere for quiet contemplation, fully realizing the sanctuary theme throughout the motorhome. The functional aspects of the motorhome are clad in beautiful materials to maintain the aesthetic illusion. The storage cabinets throughout the main cabin are fitted with custom-designed leather pulls instead of metal handles. These pulls are made from soft, vegetable-tanned leather, adding a tactile, high-end feel to every interaction. The subtle use of bronze or copper accents in the light fixtures and trim pieces, rather than shiny chrome, provides a warm, antique glow that enhances the organic, natural aesthetic of the wood and stone. The lighting system is the true mood creator. Beyond the general ambient light, the system includes multiple sunset and forest glade presets. The sunset preset bathes the entire cabin in deep orange and soft red light, perfectly complementing the sound of the waterfall. The forest glade preset uses cool blues and soft greens to create a visual atmosphere of shade and coolness, demonstrating the ultimate luxury of controlling one's environment to match a desired natural aesthetic. The external features are designed to extend the sanctuary's aesthetic reach. The motorhome is equipped with a massive automatic canvas awning that extends over the primary outdoor seating area. The canvas is a natural, heavy linen color designed to provide soft, diffused shade. The outdoor furniture is simple, low profile, and made from untreated, weathered teak wood, creating a seamless visual transition from the refined luxury inside to the rugged beauty of the outside environment. The final piece of the aesthetic puzzle is the Zen Garden platform. The rear section of the motorhome, when parked, features a section that hydraulically lowers to the ground, revealing a beautifully curated miniature Japanese Zen garden. This small platform is filled with finely raked white gravel and a few polished river stones, providing a quiet space for contemplation or simply an extension of the beautiful aesthetic right to the earth itself. This feature encapsulates the entire philosophy, bringing profound, structured peace to the heart of mobile life. The Waterfall Sanctuary is a statement that luxury is about sensory harmony and aesthetic immersion. It is a home built not for speed or display, but for the quiet, uninterrupted pleasure of the natural elements, the gentle sound of water, the warm glow of natural wood, and the calming presence of stone. This is the ultimate mobile retreat, a profound escape for the soul that proves the greatest destination is often the journey itself.